Welcome! In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a Snapchat account using the latest updated method. If you're new to Snapchat or just need a quick refresher, follow these simple steps and you'll be set up in minutes. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. If you don't have it yet, just download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you open the app, tap on Sign Up and then hit Continue to begin the process. Next, enter your name. This can be your real name or whatever you'd like people to see on your profile. After that, you'll be asked to enter your date of birth. Make sure you enter it correctly, as Snapchat uses this for age verification. Now it's time to choose a unique username. This is important because it's how friends will find you on Snapchat. If the name you pick is already taken, Snapchat will suggest alternatives. Or you can try creating your own variation. After choosing your username, create a strong password. Make sure it's something secure but easy for you to remember. A mix of letters, numbers, and symbols works best. In the next step, enter your email address. This helps keep your account secure and allows you to recover it if you ever forget your password. Then, you'll be asked to enter your phone number. Snapchat will send you a verification code, so just enter that code to confirm your number. Finally, review your details and confirm all the steps. Once everything is verified, your Snapchat account will be created successfully.